Today we're going to talk about a topic that I know is on a lot of people's minds, TSP Lump Sum. For those of you who don't know, the TSP or Thrift Savings Plan is a retirement savings plan for federal employees, and a TSP Lump Sum is a one-time payment that you can take out when you retire, instead of receiving your retirement benefits as monthly payments. Now I know what you might be thinking. Why would I want a lump sum instead of monthly payments? Well, there are some major benefits to taking a TSP lump sum. First of all, a TSP lump sum gives you more control over your retirement funds. Instead of relying on the government to send you a monthly check, you can invest your lump sum however you see fit. And if you're smart about it, you could end up making even more money than you would with monthly payments. Secondly, a TSP lump sum can give you a lot of financial flexibility. Maybe you want to pay off your mortgage, buy a vacation home, or start your own business. With a lump sum, you have the money to make those dreams a reality. And finally, a TSP lump sum can give you peace of mind. Instead of worrying about whether your monthly payments will be enough to cover your expenses, you'll know exactly how much money you have and can plan accordingly. Of course, there are major potential downsides to taking a TSP lump sum, such as the risk of running out of money if you don't invest it wisely. If you are unsure of how to leverage your lump sum option and do not have a plan in place, feel free to reach out to one of our advisors. If you're nearing retirement age and haven't considered a lump sum before, now might be the time to start. It's recommended to ask for help regarding this process. If interested in a free consultation, call our office and reference this video. We look forward to speaking with you.